Hello guys, welcome back and happy new year. In today's video I want to talk about the services I offer online and what's next for this channel. As you have noticed, I've not been uploading for the better half of 2020. This is due to the good things that happened to me in that year, as well as the challenges that came with it. Anyway, let's get to the topic of what services I offer online that have allowed me to earn over $2,000 as a part-time freelancer. As you know, I am still fully employed, and that's why I want to share the services I offer online. The first service that I started offering was article writing. As you can see on my Upwork account, as of now, I don't offer it anymore. This is because I upgraded to other skills that I was more passionate and interested in. So, for those who would like to offer this service and don't have any training, I would like to help you by sending you training materials, but there is a catch. First of all, subscribe and let me know in the comment section why do you need the training. The second service that I offer is captioning or subtitling of videos. This was the service that kickstarted me to freelancing. I still offer this service up to now, and I do have repeat clients that bring me work when they need to. So watch out for videos about captioning in the near future. The next service is audio editing, and this one goes in hand with video editing, which is my fourth service and the services that I'm offering currently that are making me money online as a part-time freelancer. So what's next for this channel? I bet you're asking yourself that question. For the next upcoming videos in this channel, I will be teaching more on the above services, that is article writing, captioning and subtitling, audio editing, video editing, and any other skills that pertains to those skills. I'll share the tools, the techniques and skills that we require. I will also share live projects that I do for clients so that you, my viewers, can understand more of what I offer. So if you're hyped about this as I am, you need to subscribe now, like this video so that I may be able to provide you with these skills so that you can also earn money online. Remember, this is something that I do as part-time, and it has been a great boost as an income. So that was it, guys. See you in the next video.